If you're new to generative AI and want to understand how to use it effectively, this video will guide you step by step. Generative AI allows you to create text, images, videos, and more using simple instructions. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use generative AI from scratch, so you can start creating content easily. First, choose a generative AI tool based on your needs. There are tools for writing, image creation, coding, and even video generation. Pick one that matches what you want to create. Next, create an account and log into the platform. Most tools have a simple interface where you can start typing your instructions right away. Now comes the most important part, writing your prompt. A prompt is the instruction you give to the AI. Be clear and specific about what you want. Include details like topic, tone, length, format, and audience. For example, instead of saying write an article, say write a 500-word beginner guide on saving money in a friendly tone. Once you enter your prompt, the AI will generate content within seconds. Read the output carefully. If it's not exactly what you want, you can refine your prompt and try again. This process is called iteration, and it helps improve results. You can also edit the generated content, add your own ideas, correct any mistakes, and adjust the tone to match your style. This ensures your final content is accurate and unique. If you're using AI for images, describe the scene clearly, including style, colors, and details. For videos or audio, you can combine multiple AI tools to create complete content. Another useful tip is to save your best prompts. This helps you reuse them and get consistent results in the future. In this tutorial, we learned how to use generative AI step by step by choosing a tool, writing clear prompts, generating content, refining results, and editing outputs. This makes it easy for beginners to start using AI effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.